Hello everyone, this is Cô Trang. Welcome to our personal pronoun lesson, Đại từ nhân xưng, episode 1. Personal pronouns are not an easy topic for beginners. However, it is one of the most important ones because you need to know how to address people the right way in Vietnam. So what is that right way? Okay. Before getting into the word list, I want you to focus on these things. Age, gender, and the formality level of the conversation. They are the keys to approach this topic. One more time. Age, gender, and the formality level of the conversation. Good. I'm going to put the keys on one table so you can follow them more easily. As you can see on the screen, the first column is I. I is how I address myself. The second and the third column is genders, male or female. And the last column is age. Let's get into detail. I will address myself cháu, to ông as a male, bà as a female, if they are the same age as my grandparent. Okay, I will address myself cháu again to a male, bác, or a female, also bác, if they are the same age as my parents, older brother or sister. I will address myself cháu, still cháu, okay, to chú as a male, cô as a female, if they are the same age as my parents, younger brothers or sisters. I will address myself em, to a male as anh, or to a female as chị, if they are the same age as my older brothers or sisters. Let's go to the next row. When somebody is the same age as me, I will address myself tôi. It's quite formal if you address yourself tôi. And you can address them bạn or cậu, okay? You can also address yourself tớ or mình to your friend, bạn or cậu. So tôi and bạn are quite formal. Tớ and mình and cậu are very informal. In the case that you are talking to a teacher, we have a different pronouns for it. I will address myself and to a male teacher, thầy, and to a female teacher, cô. So, with all these personal pronouns, except for the case that someone is the same age as you, the reverse is also true. Now I'm gonna take myself as an example. If I am referring to myself as a teacher, right? So I will address myself cô Trang. And I will refer to my student em, cô em. Okay. But if I am a student, then I go to like a math class, then I will address myself as em, and I will address my teacher as thầy, if that is a male, as cô, if that is a female. In the case that I'm talking to someone who is the same age as me, I will always address myself as tôi, tớ or mình, and to him or her, bạn or cậu. Let's read all the personal pronoun one more time. Cháu, ông, bà, bác, chú, cô, em, anh, chị, tôi, tớ, mình, bạn, cậu, em, thầy, cô. I hope that my explanation is clear enough for you to distinguish all the personal pronouns that we learned today. So we have gone over the most difficult part of personal pronouns. It was on first person, I, and second person, you. What about the third person, he and she? Please check it out in personal pronoun episode 2. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumb up, share it on social media, and subscribe for the channel for future updates. Thank you very much. Cảm ơn rất nhiều.